Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are well and good. So today in this video we are going to recap chapter number 3, Understanding Windows 10. Okay, so let's start. Children, first we will learn about the operating system. What is an operating system? An operating system is a very important software. It controls the working of the computer. Of course, the operating system is the main software of a computer. Operating system is the main software of a computer which controls the overall working of the computer system. Now Microsoft Windows is one of the most popular operating systems which are used worldwide. Got it? Next, the process of loading the operating system when a computer is switched on is known as booting. Okay, when you are turning on the computer system, at that time you can see the Windows writing is coming, and after that the desktop appears, isn't it? So that is the operating system. Okay, when you are turning on the computer, the screen which loads first is the operating system. Okay, and the process of loading the operating system in the computer is known as booting. Clear children? So from here we conclude that the process of loading the operating system when a computer is turned on is known as booting. Clear? Next is the desktop. What is the desktop? Children, you all know what a desktop is. The first screen that appears on the computer screen. Just after the computer is turned on is known as the desktop. Okay. Just after the booting, the computer prepares the operating system for you to be used. Okay. So after booting is done, the computer shows us the first screen, and that first screen is known as the desktop. On the desktop, what you get? The icons are there, the taskbar is there, the wallpaper is there. Okay, so the various type of working tools which you work on a computer are available on the desktop. Clear? Next are the icons. The icons are small pictures that appear on the desktop. Of course, you can see there are small pictures. Okay, so those are known as the icons, and these icons we can found on the desktop only. Okay, when the desktop is shown on the screen, you can also see that the icons are also there on the desktop. These icons relates to the specific file or folder or any software. If you make a double click on the icon, the particular file or folder or software will open in a form of window on the screen. Clear? Next is the taskbar. What is the taskbar, children? Just at the bottom of the screen, you can see a long horizontal line is there, isn't it, which carries the start button. That is known as the taskbar. Okay, the long bar at the bottom of the screen is known as the taskbar. Okay, now the taskbar contains the search button. In the taskbar, the search button is there, the start menu is there. Okay, the notification area is there, the peak buttons are there. So various type of options are also given on the taskbar. Clear? Next is the background picture. The background picture on the desktop is called the wallpaper. Yes, everyone, all of you know this, that the background picture on the desktop is known as the wallpaper of the desktop. Next is the window. A window is a rectangular area surrounded by borders that lets you view things on the computer. Of course, a window opens, and in each and every particular window you can see whatever is there on the computer. Okay, it lets us view the things that are there on the computer, because as I have told you that a computer is totally a hardware device. Okay, so in a hardware device you cannot see anything, but if you have to see those things, you have to open it through a window, and a window helps you to see the things whatever is there in a computer. Okay, next is the various parts of a window, the various components of a window. As you know, this is the title bar. You can see here, this is the title bar, these are the ribbons, this is the work area where you work, this is the horizontal and the vertical scroll bars. This is the horizontal scroll bar and this is the vertical scroll bar. Okay, so these are the parts of the windows which I have shown you. Now up to this, it was the end of the recap of chapter number 3, understanding Windows 10. Okay, thank you.